Now that we're getting good at using Elementor, we can see another uh, another shortcut that's available. And in the last video, we saw that if you click, instead of adding a section from scratch, you can click this little folder and add a template, it says. And again, there's blocks, pages, and my templates. So last time we talked about picking out individual blocks, but today we're going to talk about pages. You have complete pages. And they're all in different categories, and you can find them by searching here by keywords. So, for example, you can put in design, spell it right, and you see that there's quite a few pre-made pages if you're a designer. So here's one. It's called Interior Designer Projects page. So let's click it. Looks pretty nice. It's got certain elements to it, and let's insert it into the page. Click apply always. And then we wait. There's some loading time here. And there it is. So you have a pretty good looking page right out of the gate. And again, let's see the elements. We click here. It's a heading. We look up here to see that it's a heading module. Here's another heading module. Let's see. This one is a section. And let's click the navigator to see what's going on in that section. And it's called Hero Image. And in it, we have a column and we have a spacer. So this is not there's actually not an image here, strangely enough. So it's probably a background image on the section. But the spacer you can see is basically empty. It's 50 pixels. And if we go to the hero image, just out of curiosity, we click background image, and sure enough, that's where the picture resides. We scroll down, and again, there's a heading, there's a text piece. Here we have a gallery. And if we X out of that, we'll see that in the gallery, there are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 images. And they have it arranged in 2 columns, 4 high. So here you pick out your gallery, and then they have what's called the footer section here. And that's just a little section with, again, heading. I'm not sure why they didn't use text. And then you can say, update if you wanted to save that. And that's how we use pre-made page templates. Let's try another one. You click here, put in fitness, and you can see here's a fitness template, and we're going to insert it. So it's not really a whole page, but what it is, it's a collection of sections that have various Elementor modules built in already. So it's loading. We're going to leave the interior design part there. It's still there. But then we have this part, which is a fitness one. And again, it's a heading with a background image. Here's a button. This module is, again, a heading. Nothing really too fancy. There's an image box that comes with a picture, a title, and content. And that's how we use pre-made templates.